Alright, so this is day 3 of working on JOSUES NB Miata. Today we got the head back from the machine shop for the second time. You can see they went and hot tanked it, got the aluminum all nice and clean. So that works out now, and they got the dowel pin out of the bottom of the head. I'm not sure if we showed you, but they had a dowel pin pushed up in the head, but we got that out. They re-torqued down all the cam caps, put some assembly lube for the first startup. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to take some copper spray for the head gasket. It's around here somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. We're a little unorganized. But so basically what we're going to do is we're going to take some copper spray for the head gasket. And what that's going to do is that's going to help the gasket seal onto the head a little bit better. It just gives it like some tackiness and a little bit of flexibility. I believe that's how it works. I'm not sure, but Permatex makes it. This stuff's pretty good if you want to check it out. Coat both sides of it, and it's going to turn like a copper color, you'll see. So you can see it's like a copper color. So I'm going to do the other side now. Alright, so we got the gasket on the block now. Now we're going to take the head. I just want to double check the old gasket. You see this hole right here is blocking, looks like an oil passage or something like that. I'll just double check the old gasket, make sure that one's has the same block off, like little block off area, which I'm sure it does. So we decided to throw on the intake just to make it a little bit easier, but we got the head on now. Because if I would have had the head on and then put the intake on, the nuts at the bottom are pretty difficult to get to, so I kind of just decided to throw on the intake real quick before we put the head on. But there he is. Now all we got to do is just put the bolts in and torque it down.
Alright, so we got Aaron right now torquing down the bolts right now in a 3 sequence, starting with 20 foot-pounds, then 40, and then 60 all the way around. You have to go in a very specific order too.
Got the timing all set up on it. Top dead center at the crank. Got 19 teeth in between the two cam gears through the top of them. So now, just gonna keep assembling it. Joey finally showed up super late. Alright guys, so I'm just kind of flying through this because Josue really does need his car back. It's been weeks since this thing has been broken. So, like I was saying before, I got all these plastic for the timing cover on. I'm working on the fuel rail, pretty much got that all on right now. I'm gonna work on plugging in the coils and getting everything buttoned up back there. And then I'm gonna put the wiring harness on, all the clips in the front, all these connectors and stuff are all gonna go on. You know, just kind of trying to power through it. Joey's doing the exhaust right now. He got the brand new gasket on. He's working on getting on all the manifold bolts. And we're just gonna keep going.
Okay guys, so right now we're just finishing up tightening the valve cover, and we still have to put the thermostat in and bolt up the top half of the intake manifold. And what else? I think that's pretty much it. We got the header and gasket all tightened down, so we're almost there. Okay guys, so now we have everything pretty much installed. Just doing small things, buttoning everything up. We got the heat shield for the header on, the top of the intake on. And we just got to get the coolant hose, the intake piping, plug in some miscellaneous connectors, and that's pretty much it.
Alright, we got it all together now. Put some water and coolant in it, and now we're just waiting on Josue. Taking forever to find a 17 mil so we can change the oil. But we're about to fire it up in just a few minutes. Shout out to Joey for all the help. Sorta. He didn't really help. He never really helps, but it's alright.
Yeah.
Now we're just waiting on Sway.
Watch out.
Almost fell.
That was like a slow ass reaction too.
Hey, Josue.
Hey.
Got it running.
Satisfied customer over here. I recommend AJ all the way. Did you get that?